Hi scholars, and welcome to Module 6 Review Day 2. We're going to do the last half of your review pages and we're going to go over your answers. Announcements. Always remember to get on Zern and iReady for at least 30 minutes. Like I said yesterday, getting on Zern will be very helpful in order to practice for your upcoming assessment. You're doing packet pages number 121 to 122. And you don't have anything due today, you don't need to send me your work because I'll be going over the answers. And like I said, your test is on Thursday and Friday. Number 1, Naomi thinks 86 ones is greater than 8 tens 6 ones. Is she correct? Explain your thinking using words, pictures, or numbers. Draw and write about tens and ones to explain your thinking. Pause the video and solve, and then we will go over it. So hopefully you've already solved it. I'm going to go back and think about this. Naomi thinks 86 ones is greater than 8 tens 6 ones. Well, let's try and solve this. 86 ones, 8 tens 6 ones. 86 ones is actually the same as 8 tens 6 ones. If I put it into number sentences, I have 0 plus 86 equals 86. And then on my other side, I have 80 plus 6 equals 86. They both equal 86, just different ways to show the number. Naomi is wrong. 86 ones is the same as 8 tens 6 ones. You got to make sure you answer the question like that so I know if you're saying she's correct or incorrect. I told you she's wrong, which means she's incorrect. All right, pause it here. If you need to catch up, we're going to move on. Number 2, we're going to find the mystery numbers. Use the place value charts to show how you know. So I see that we're doing 10 more than 91 is, 10 less than 91 is, 1 more than 91 is, and 1 less than 91 is. I'm using 91 every time, so I'm going to fill in my left place value chart for each problem with 9 tens and 1 1. I'm showing the number 91 each time. If we're doing 10 more than 91, looking at the first part, 10 more than 91, am I changing my tens or my ones? My tens. I'm just adding 1 more 10 or adding 10. That would give me 10 tens, 1 1, which is the same as 101. So 10 more than 91 is 101. Moving on, 10 less than 91 is blank. Well, 10 less, I'm doing the opposite. I'm taking away 1 10. Take away 1 10 from 9 tens, we have 8 tens. My ones stay the same. 10 less than 91 is 81. Now going to the next one, 1 more than 91 is blank. Well, 1 more, am I changing my tens or my ones? My ones, just adding 1 more to get 9 tens, 2 ones. 1 more than 91 is 92. Moving on to my last one, 1 less than 91 is blank. That means I'm just taking away a 1. If I take 1 away from 1, what do I have? 0. So I have 9 tens still, but I have 0 ones. 1 less than 91 is 90. All right, we're moving on. Number 3, you are going to solve for each unknown number. Use the space provided to show your work. You can use quick 10 drawings, the arrow way, number bonds with number sentences. Pause the video and solve, and when you get back, we're going to go over it. All right, so hopefully you've paused the video, you did your work, now we're back. We're going to go over the first one, 70 plus 3 equals blank. I chose the arrow way, I really like it, I think it's easy sometimes when I'm adding small numbers. So I got my answer 73. When I say adding small numbers, when I'm adding 70, which is an easy number, it's a 10, and adding a number like 3, it's really simple just to show my work with the arrow way. It's kind of just showing like I'm counting on. So that's something simple you could do. Letter B, 30 plus 60. I'm going to use quick 10 drawings. I have 3 tens, 6 tens, altogether I have 90, or 9 tens. Letter C, I'm also going to use quick 10 drawings. For 90, take away 50. I'm going to start, I always start in subtraction with my biggest number, so 9 tens. I'm going to take away 5 of them to take away 50. I have 4 tens left, or the number 40. Letter D, 68 plus 70, I'm going to make the next 10. So taking apart 7, making the next 10. Here are my number sentences to show that work, and then I got my answer, 75. Letter E, I'm going to make the next 10 with the number 8 because that's easy. Take apart 52, making the next 10, adding the rest, I get my answer, 60. Letter F, I have 71 plus 20. I'm going to take it apart to add my tens and my tens, and then add the rest. So here's my work to show that. I got my answer, 91. Now we're on letter G. 8 tens take away blank equals 4 tens. Well, like I said, in subtraction, we start with our biggest number, 8 tens. I can see we're left with 4 tens, and I don't know what we took away. So I'm going to count up to 4, so starting at the left, start 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10. Then I'm going to circle the rest. That's what I had to have taken away, because now outside of my circle is my answer, 4 tens. Took those away, ended up being 4 tens. That was my answer. I'm going to do the same thing for letter H. So starting with 7 tens, circling what I took away, and putting it in my blank. And then doing the same thing for letter I, 9 tens. I circled what I took away. I actually flip-flopped because I could see that I had a 5 group of tens, and then I had 4 left. So that was my answer. I circled the 5 tens to know that I took those away. Pause the video here if you need to copy this down or go over your work more carefully, and then we will be moving on. Now are the answers from yesterday's work. So pause the video when you need to go over your answer. I'm showing all parts for your tape diagrams. Make sure you have exactly what I have so it can help you practice for that assessment tomorrow. I'm going to move on. This was number 1, letter A. Now we're on number 1, letter B. So again, another tape diagram. Pause the video here to check your work. Now letter C. I have our tape diagram, all of our answers, and then pause the video here to go over your work, and then we're going to go on to number 2. Number 2, you're filling in the missing numbers in each sequence. So in letter A, we were just counting up. Letter B, we were also counting on. Letter C, we're counting back. And letter D, we're counting back. So make sure you're careful while doing that. If you need to, pause the video here and check your answer. If you got it right, why don't you put a big star on it? Pat yourself on the back so you got that right. Good job. I'm going to move on to number 3. Number 3, here are your answers. All you needed to do for A and B was fill in your place value chart. For C and D, put the number on the line. So you should quickly be able to check this. Put a big star if you got it correct. If you need more time, pause the video here because I'm going to move on. Number 4, you're matching the equal amounts. 62 is the same as 5 tens, 12 ones. 73 is the same as 3 ones, 7 tens. Letter C is 113 is 11 10, same as 11 tens, 3 ones. And then letter D, 84 is the same as 8 tens, 4 ones. As you can see for letter B, when we matched it, see how the ones come before the tens? That's why you need to be careful reading, because sometimes I'll flip-flop them. You have to be careful. It's not always going to be tens first. Because some of you might have looked at that and thought that was the number 37. It was really 73. If you need more time, pause the video here. We're going to move on to the next problem. All right, for number 5, letter A, 64 is less than 74. Remember, it eats the bigger number. So it's eating 74. Letter B, 99 is less than 102. Again, it's eating the bigger number. Letter C, 82 equals 7 tens, 12 ones. Make sure you're careful because 7 tens, 12 ones would be the number 82. Letter D, 17 is less than 70, eating the bigger number again. And E, 110 is greater than 106. So again, eating the bigger number. I hope you guys were able to get this all by yourself and just were checking your answers, giving big stars. Make sure you review it really hard tonight, practice so that tomorrow and Friday you do amazing on this assessment. Keep it up. You guys are doing so great, and I will be posting videos the next 2 days of me just reading the assessment to you, but it will be very short, quick videos. You don't need to stay on them, just so you can follow along. I'm not going to give extra time, so just like today, it's going to be you're going to pause the video, move on. All right, so see you guys tomorrow.